Hello everyone, I am Khalifa Muhammad Asif from Ali Allana College of Pharmacy, Akkalkuwa. In the last video, I have discussed the introduction of micromeritics. Today I am going to talk about the fundamental properties of particles. The fundamental properties may include the shape of the particles, size of the particles, and particle size distribution. Let's start with the shape of the particles. What is particle shape? Particle shape is nothing but the external appearance of a particle. In any collection of powder, particles may exist in different shapes. These may include spherical, rounded, angular, cubic, acicular, flaky, cylindrical, spongy, etc. If we go to the microscopic level, we can easily observe different shapes of the particles, as you can see in these scanning electron microscopic images of different powder samples. Let's see the significance why the study of shape is important in any field of science. Very first is particle shape affects the flow properties. There are so many operations in which particles have to flow nicely. The particles having a spherical shape, they can flow easily. If particles present in liquid vehicles, again shape is important, as spherical particles leads to low viscosity and irregular particles increases the viscosity. Ultimately, rheological properties may be changed in this case. Porosity is another aspect of particle analysis. The porosity of particles very much depends on the shape of particle. The shape of particles also affects the rate of sedimentation, as in the case of pharmaceutical suspensions. We can say the shape of suspended particles may alter the stability of dispersion system. Next one is behavior in sieve analysis. Sieve analysis is one of the most convenient method of analysis of any powder collection. Shape really affects the particles' behavior in sieve analysis. Spherical particles give more accurate results as compared to irregular particles. Particle shapes also affect powder mixing. Blending time may be increased if particles are irregular. The shape also adds more importance to particle size. For example, as in case of sieve analysis, rod shape of particles sometimes considered undersized due to shape. So you can understand how greatly particle shape is important in any field of science. Let's talk about one more important aspect of particle shape analysis is nothing but the descriptor. What is particle descriptor? Let's see. Different aspects of particle shape are of interest, and a range of descriptors have been devised to allow particle shape to be described. Particle shape can be described quantitatively using the following descriptors. These are width to length ratio, convexity, circularity or roundness. Remember, no single shape descriptor is suitable for all applications. In this video, I am not going to explain in detail, as it is beyond the scope of our subject. Just look over how roundness describes quantitatively the shape of particles. In these roundness indices, which are the values represents the different shape of particles and extent of sphericity, as you can see in this table. There are some technologies by which this descriptor can be measured, which includes field emission scanning electron microscope, transmission electron microscope, and X-ray diffraction. That's it for today. In the next video, I will discuss other fundamental property, that is particle size. Thanks for watching.